Okay students, a very good morning to all of you. I'm just going to teach you today how to add, how to subtract. Subtraction means minus, how to multiply and how to divide, right? So the same table, if you see here, I'm going to modify this. You can just simply come here and then open the same file that we did last time. So if you open this, I'm going to modify or do some changes in the same table. So how I will do, I will come here, I will write here for you. I'm going to teach you addition. Addition means plus, and then I'm going to teach you subtraction, that is called minus, and then we will study multiplication, that is multiply sign. Asterisk is used here. Asterisk means this is, I will write here, you need to press shift with 8, shift key plus 8. If you press these keys, so you will get the multiplication sign, and that is asterisk normally, because you will not see the normal multiplication sign that you use in mathematics. You will not see here in the keyboard. So for multiplication, usually we are using this asterisk sign. Similarly for division, if you come here for division, we will use here this forward slash like this. So it's here, if you see in the keyboard, it is under the question mark sign. So you can use this oblique or backslash, forward slash over here. So this is how we are going to study this. Now let's come back here. I'm just going to make it smaller in size a little bit. You can see here, I'm just going to find out the total of these, because I have some numbers. I want to find out the total for all of these here. So how you can do this, I'm just going to add a new column here, and I will write here total. When you write here total, I will simply come here, and then you can see I want to add the numbers over here. I mean 80 plus 70 plus 50. I want to add all of these here. So the correct method that you have is to come here and then put equal sign first of all. Equal sign over here. When you put equal sign, this is very important, students. Before starting any function, before starting any formula, you must need to put the equal sign. If you are not putting equal sign, your computer will be confused and you will not get the required or desired results. So the best practice is to put the equal sign first. Now come here. What we need to do, I will simply come here and I want to click on this 80. Please avoid writing the numbers. Don't write the numbers. Just click on the number. When you click on the number, you can see C3 is added here. What is C3? C3 is this C column and third row. So the address is added here. In formula bar, you can see automatically the address will be added here as well. Now what you need to do here is, the next is I want to do plus. So I will put plus sign over here. So simply come here and put plus sign over here. What is the next number? That is 78. So again I will say, don't write 78 here. Just you need to click on this 78. When you click on 78, you can see D3 is added. D3 means D column, third row. So the address is adding here. Automatically computer will write for you. Similarly, I have another digit, that is 50. So again I will put equal plus sign over here, and then you have to come here and click on this 50. When you click on 50, E3 is added. Again this is E column, third row. So the address is added here. Now all of my three numbers are added. I will come here and simply press enter key from the keyboard. When you press enter key from the keyboard, you can get the total over here. Now I want to do the same for all of these records or these rows. So one way is to write again here, come here, put equal sign, click this, then put plus sign, click this, again put plus sign and click this, and then enter key like this. So this is the way. But if you have, for example, I have 10 records or rows over here, so for me it's easy to do it again and again. But if you have 100 records, for example, you have 500 records, let's say you have 1000 records or more than that possibly, So in that case it would be difficult for you to write again and again the same formula. So the easy way that you have is, now you can see at the bottom right side of this cell you can see this dot. You can see a dot over here. Now come here, when you move your cursor on the dot, it will be changed automatically to plus sign. When it turns to plus sign, you can just simply drag this. When you simply drag this till the last, leave it here. When you leave, so you will get different numbers over here. This is the correct method that you need to calculate this. So this is how you can calculate all of your numbers over here. So this is simply, I will write here addition to avoid any confusion for you. I added this. I added all the three numbers over here. Similarly, you can come here for subtraction. For subtraction means minus. If you want to subtract this, so for subtraction I want to do the same. Simply come here, put equal sign first of all, and then you have to see which column minus which column. It depends on your requirements and your needs. So but I will take an example, because addition you can see here, this value is bigger than this one. So 208 is the biggest value over here. Otherwise, for example, if you want to quantity for Sohar minus quantity of Muscat, if you want to do like this, so maybe in some cases your answer will be in minus sign. For example, if I minus this 80 minus 78, so you can get, it will be 2 over here. But if you 52 minus 67, so you will get over here minus answer. Similarly, if you want to do 42 minus 87, so you will get the answer in minus. So the best practice is to take the bigger value minus smaller value. Make it like this. So I will click here this time. Now you can see when I click here, F3 is added over here. F3 means F column, third row. Now what do you want? I want to minus this, so I will put minus sign from the keyboard. You can see the minus sign is just at the right side of 0 in the keyboard. If you see at the right of 0, you will see the minus sign. If you use the same button with shift, you will get underscore. So no need to press shift key over here. Just beside the 0 you have minus sign, so put minus sign over here. Now it depends again on your requirement, what you want to do. If you want, for example, this addition minus quantity for Buremi, quantity for Muscat, quantity for Sohar, it depends on your choice. I will take the example of quantity for Buremi. So for example, I will click here because I want 208 minus 50. So if you make it like this, simply press enter key over here. When you press enter key, now do the same for all. Here is a dot, take it from this dot and drag it simply till the end. When you drag it till the end, so you will get different results over here. So this is how you can subtract this. Similarly for multiplication, if you come here for the multiplication, I will write here multiplication. Now I want to do zarb. In your language, in Arabic, you can say zarb, so I will put equal sign. Now it depends on you, which one column multiply by which one column, or all the columns in between. If you want to multiply, so you can multiply. For example, this quantity for Sohar and then asterisk sign. You can see this asterisk sign is here, shift plus 8. So if you want to use if you press this shift plus 8, you will get asterisk sign. So for example, quantity for Sohar multiply by quantity for Muscat. I will do like this. So if you click here, now simply drag the same, do the same here, simply come here and then apply and all. Again, just come here, I will remove this, put equal sign, this, multiply with this. If you press this, press enter key, and then you can apply in all, so you will get all results. Similarly for division, if you want to do like this, put equal sign. Now you can, for example, multiplication is the biggest value, so multiplication divide by this forward slash. As I said here, you have to use this sign here, forward slash, divide by what? Divide by any number. For example, divide by quantity for Sohar. So click here, press enter key, and then apply in all. So if you apply in all, so you will get different results over here. So this is how you can use these signs: addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. For the next tutorial, please stay on tuned. I will go to the next tutorial.